ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾರಿ ಚಾಲು ವ್ಲಾಗ್ आमगे रडपा लागले भाऊ आपला गिफ्ट गेला अच्छे घेसो रोटेच ओके आई बाय यू गिफ्ट ओके डोंट क्राई बेबी डोंट क्राई
You will be crying and you'll say don't cry. Hey guys and welcome back to my channel, to Push Talkies. To my old subscribers, welcome back, and to the new subscribers, please subscribe to my channel. Today's vlog is going to be about Christmas shopping in Geneva. No, it's going to be about little roaming in Geneva. We are going to be checking out two malls today. So let us go and have a look in what they have. I'm not quite sure that we're doing a shopping, but definitely I'm going to be doing a winter shopping. So let's go.
Shuru. Fucked up beat and I'm gone. And I'm gone. Fucked up beat and I'm gone. Fucked up beat and I'm gone. Fucked up beat and I'm gone. And I'm gone. Fucked up beat.
Guys, in my previous vlog you all been asking me who is Sunaina, right? Like, who is Sunaina, who has done the music. So the man who is behind the music and to answer the question who is Sunaina is right here.
Hi.
So Mr. Dolma, the subscribers want to know who is Sunaina.
सुनेना मुगे गर्लफ्रेंड काय न्हू मुगे एकलो फ्रेंड आलो अंडा आजू पासून आहा अंडागे एकलो गर्लफ्रेंड आसलें सुनेना सो तें नांव यूज केलां त्या सॉंगां सुनेना हांव डिस्क्रायब कोता कोण तरी म्हगेलें गर्लफ्रेंड बट तेगे नांव हांवें दुसरें यूज केलां अंडा बरो आसलें अंडा सुनेना आहा रे काय गेल रे
So now you all know who is Sunaina. Okay, so if you all wonder what is this about, what is this conversation about, check out my previous vlog and you will understand. Check out the vlog that says Asian store shopping in Geneva. So yeah. You're not reached yet. Still have to go. Chalo. You know what's beautiful? I mean, just see the brilliant colors. They look so pretty. They look very pretty. I like the way they have combined. Look at this street. Look at this street. Photographers of Goa, I know you're going to like this place. It reminds me of that. What is that Goa place in Goa?
Fontaines.
The colorful. I mean, not the structure of it, but the way they look.
Yep.
Look at it. And the streets are so clean. That's the best part of it.
Yep.
I don't know how you name this wall. Look at the walls, how they've done it up. What did they call that?
Graffiti.
I think this is not for the kids to play. I'm not quite sure because I've seen many kids coming and playing up over here, and they would sit inside here and they would use it. It's very creative. I mean, it looks so good, no? Like even if you want to rest, you can just come here and rest. Chal mere gode. Oh sorry, it's not a goda. What is it? A lizard. Guys, if you all have checked out my previous vlog, this location has been shown when I was going to the Asian store. So that building over there was all green because it was taken during the summer time. Right now it's winter. I have posted it late due to the editing purpose, but it was taken in the summer time. Right now it's winter and see how it looks right now. It's all dried out. There are no leaves at all. It's not on green at all.
And I'm gone. Fucked up beat and I'm gone. ऊपर आसमां नीचे पेड़ है असुविधा के लिए थोड़ा खेद है ब्रेक मार के गाड़ी नहीं चलती तेजी से बढ़ना आगे तो ब्रेक होने फेल है तू रेल है तो मैं पटरी दादा मुंह खोलेगा गुस्सा दूंगा छतरी
So guys, finally we have reached. It's right there. Beautiful light up as a gift with a nice ribbon on it. So it looks very pretty. You see? There you go. Okay, so he already put his mask and he's already ready.
I'm ready.
I need to put my mask.
नाला फाइन आएगा
Fine, तो बोतलो. मुझे fine आता तो बोतलो. Fine?
Not fine.
Fine, baby,
Get the
fine.
fine out of here.
मत रहे ना बिना सुने मेरे गाने पब्लिक नाचे जैसे होगा ये सयाने Fucked up beat and I'm gone and I'm gone and I'm gone Fucked up beat and I'm gone Fucked up beat and I'm gone Fucked up beat and I'm gone and I'm gone and I'm gone Fucked up beat and I'm gone Fucked up beat and I'm gone
Start.
So we entered the shopping center from the food section side. There are chocolates. You have Christmas candy sticks, cane sticks. So pretty. You know, it reminds me of Alpelipe. Alpelipe lollipop made us reminded me of that. And these are all the chocolate sections. Guys, don't comment and tell me to buy chocolates for you. I can tell you on nowadays. Then you have all the cuisines inside, like all the stores. You have an Indian cuisine. You can see on over there. Indian cuisine here. And we have variety of Indian cuisine.
I just had it hard, made it mine. She been a one sign. Ooh, she been a sucking on fighting the hard to exit her money time. Wide in the dick, rising all of her kind. She been a scared school, all on my slate, scoop at a time. I have been riding there all the time. She been the riding anytime. I've been a holding the giving and riding the lovely, my summer be mine. I never given up, so brains to the money kill. Hit you behind it, I fuck on the heart and now shit is running the gun in my soul. Fucked up beat and I'm gone. And I'm gone, and I'm gone. Fucked up beat and I'm gone. Fucked up beat and I'm gone. That's how I do it.
गोंया आम्ही गोंया कितको जाय आमी गांधी मार्केटामध्ये गेले फ्रूट घेता आसतना एक तर आमी कोण खान हातोली चोवपाक लायक विल सी हाउ इज द फ्रूट्स विल ट्राय द फ्रूट ओवर हियर यू कॅनॉट डू दॅट बिकॉज ओवर हियर यू विल हॅव टू पे फॉर इट एज वेल सो yeah, one thing good about Goa is that you need a trial before you buy the product. Over here you can't get it.
तो एकदम चांगला आहे नुस्तिकान मात नुस्त्याचो पाहिल्या नुस्तिकान आमगेली नुस्तिकान नुस्तीचो पाहिल्या नुस्तिकान
Guys, prawns is my favorite. Gandhi market पावस जाला butcher's shop you'll have seen, right? How the butcher's thing is so stinky and so unhygienic. Look over here, how hygienic they are.
गाइस अच्छे हो मगे डिपार्टमेंट चला अच्छे नुस्तें तेगे डिपार्टमेंट आणि हे बाटल्या मगे डिपार्टमेंट
No.
आय लव बाटलीज एमटी न्हू बोलवल्यो चंय कितू आहाय तो चंय आज एक घेवन वयता घरा
Guys, if you all know my favorite drink in alcohol, please comment down below. Let me see how many of you all know which is my favorite drink in alcohol.
फेवरेट ड्रिंक ना सगळे भाशेन पित्तें होकात ग्लासांक दिल्या बरो
No, I do have a favorite drink. Come back. which is my favorite drink. Let me see if he knows it.
Your favorite drink is vodka plus tequila plus whiskey, rum, IB, Royal Stag, Azucho.
Okay. Which is your favorite drink? These are all
Hot
his
water.
favorite drink.
Hot
Oh my god. Now only Bartley's I've been born.
Hot water with brandy.
Bartley. Oh, okay. I will do a vlog showing how he drinks hot water with brandy. Okay.
Fucked up beat and I'm gone. Yeah. And I'm gone. And I'm gone. Fucked up beat and I'm gone. You know it. Fucked up beat and I'm gone. That's how I do it. Dolma. Bye. The Jakey and Jakey.
So I'm making a cherry sauce गेल्लो कोंकणीन चेरीस पाव गेल्लो एक आनी तेंक ओवना गरम करपा दिल्लो पूण तें ओवना गरम करपा सोन फूल चेरीस पाव करपयलो आनी आमगे नुस्तेकानय ना तेणें तेंगे तो ब्रेड गेलो आनी तें कांय म्हणना आमगे नुस्तेकान इसो दया आलू
अरे मिस्टेक जाता है ना.
आतां हांव जे सेक्शना येयलो आहा चोय त्या सेक्शना येयल्यो न्हू बायल आनी केन्ना बेगीन भायर सरपा न्हय कित्याक तो सेक्शन हुंच तो तुमी चोय बढिया बाय
Tori on the beat.
बेबी हमें माफ करो बेबी हमें माफ करो बेबी हमें माफ करो mood swings yeah mood swings yeah let's आमगे मॅडम क्रेजी जावपा आहा कित्याक तेका आतां तें हुंच डिपार्टमेंटा येयलें चोय
कैफ कटरीना या सैफ की करीना क्यों हर लड़की के जले हम क्यों हर लड़की के जले हम क्यों हर लड़की के जले हम कैफ कटरीना या सैफ की करीना क्यों हर लड़की के जले हम क्यों हर लड़की के जले हम
हुंय गेल तो खबर ना म्हगे व्लॉग पार्टनर बट तेका सोदीत आहा हांव आनी ते म्हाका मेळ्ळा हिंगा ड्रेस तो कोण दाखयला ते ड्रेसा बरें आहा सो बी स्पिरिट देन बाय इट
Please. Debit card please.
हांव येते व्लॉगान येता ओके
Guys, he's so annoying, you know. I asked him if the dress looked pretty on me, and he's like, "It will look pretty on somebody who's."
म्हगे डिपार्टमेंट येला बॉयज मॅन सेक्शन
Okay, I think I need to take a nap. You know, even I like men's section, so I'm going to start shopping. You're going to buy something for you, then I'm going to buy something for me.
क्यों हर लड़की के जले हम mood swings mood swings mood swings mood swings rough game rough game rough game rough game mood swings back flip back flip rough game mood swings mood
एक लाकोस्टा जॅकेट हिंगा 50,000 फकत जाय म्हणटा तुगे वॉलेटा एटलिस्ट 1 lakh or 2 lakh बरें कितें घेता जाल्यार 1 or 2 lakh
Guys, you know one thing? His favorite brand is over here, and I don't know how long he's going to take. So let us check it out. Guys, it's Nike. His favorite brand.
स्विंग पीरियड के दिन चालू तो होता मूड स्विंग बर्थडे को तुम बोलो तो होता मूड स्विंग बात नहीं मानी तो हम पे बैड स्विंग 5 मिनट लेट तो होता फोन रिंग माफी हमने मांगी गुड टू नो पे नेल एक्स को मैसेज किया तो शी विल गोना किल हफ्ते में 4 बार आता पार्लर का बिल पहली बार.
Guys, Halloween also now is celebrated like in a big what do you say for that, a big day over here, you know. Like they'll have all these costumes for kids. If you see behind me, they have this costume for kids and adults where they actually dress up and they go house to house asking for trick or treat. It was really nice in month of October. On the Halloween day we experienced it. Kids did come to our house and all. And yeah, now we need to see for Christmas if they have any carols and all. I just feel like taking one of the Christmas tree homes with me, you know. I should love decorating Christmas. Christmas is my favorite. No, actually Christmas is not. Yeah, it is my favorite season. But more than that, I'm a big lover of Easter. As growing up now, most of the girls like would have Barbie doll houses and all. I know one of my friend having such kind of house, but I never liked it. I used to always like more of I was more of the tomboy side, so dolls and all I used to like playing with my sister, but not this much.
की बात में सिलसिल कैफ कटरीना या सैफ की करीना क्यों हर लड़की के जले हम क्यों हर लड़की के जले हम क्यों हर लड़की के जले हम कैफ कटरीना या सैफ की करीना क्यों हर लड़की के जले हम क्यों हर लड़की के जले हम क्यों हर लड़की के जले हम मूड स्विंग्स मूड
कोण आहे गेमिंग एंथुजियास्ट अच्छा अच्छा तुमगे फुल सेटअप आहे हिंगा
My brother.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स पासून आहे तो सेटअप से कैसा तो चेयर बीन
Formula 1.
फुल सेटअप चोय चोय या न्ही चोय कैसा ते कोणा लायसन्स काडपा आयलें हिंगे पाचें टीव्हीचेर लायसन्स काड
यदि सन्नी गर्लफ्रेंड नसा माशे मुझे बेजार किते विचारल्यार जाऊन दाखयता म्हाका रागार राखपालो पक्ताचे पोल्यार किस केले आजार किस मुजोता कानाका कित्याक आवाज
But the man Manon is running a lovely Christmas gift offers even for the ladies. So this video is not sponsored by Manor, and no, we are not advertising Manor, but yeah, just thought of telling the subscribers. There you go.
काल आई ट्रीट दिली तेका आयज तेगे दी ट्रीट
I will do a treat. Odo.
कैसो ट्रीट
In the vlog it's there, okay? In the vlog it's there.
in the middle this is
No. म्हाका सदां म्हाका एश कोन कोत्ता कितें घेवपाक गेल्यार चोय. No. Guys, it's Christmas season, you know, and I'm missing home a lot. And I was just walking through and I saw this lovely thing that says Papi. Let me turn the camera. So it says Papi, Mommy, Papa. So yeah, I was just missing. So these are the chocolate sections over here, and look at this. Let it snow. Look at this. You know, it's so pretty. If I was in Goa and all this was there in the store, I think I would be picking up. I would really be picking up a lot of it because I go crazy during Christmas. Music आहा म्हणून म्युझिक कितें बरयलां आहा तेच गेलें तेणें. Look, read.
सो आतां जे मनोरा घेवपा आसलो ते हांवें गेले हे ऑफरा लागून येयल्लो हांव आतां विल बी गोईंग होम तेगे ट्रीट आहाय ना मॅगडी ट्रीट आहाय
No, why my treat?
ना गिटार ताच्या फ्रेंडाचो बॉयफ्रेंड सिंगर तो ताका रुमां दाखयता व्हडले पिक्चर ना गिटार आतां म्हज्या मायचे काजार कोण सांगा म्हाका कोण आसा तो गिटाराचो बाजार
Guys, आपका vlogan, okay? Every time I go shopping, no, देखिए एक को action आसा था. Maybe you noticed it. Even Geneva, when I went for shopping in Geneva, the vlog which is there, proof. एशको कोतालो, एशकोन. Camera सा नो एशको कोतालो, एशकोन. आणि आपणा राहती वोस तेने गेले आज सध्या. And then he'll say, no, that girls shop more than guys. But no, the fact is guys shop more than girls.
एक बाम आफ्टर शावर बाम आणि ते नाही गेला ते ते सांग पाहिजे
Girls, comment down below and tell me, is it true, is it good, not good?
ओके सो गायज व्लॉग हे गेलो पूण एंड हांव कोता सो आतां आमगे जे कामा लागून गेलोले मनोर चोवपाक कितें ऑफर जाय जाल्यार तें चोयलें आनी तुमकांय दाखयलां मनोर एक बरें व्हडलें मॉल सिटी मॉल आनी थिंगा आमी एक ऑफराचे आफ्टर शावर बाम गेलो म्हाका आनी स्प्रे घेतलो तें कांय गेलें ना बिकॉज तेगे चड एक्सपेन्सीव आहलें
No!
आनी यू वोंट लायक टू टेल देम समथींग अबाउट युअर व्लॉग
Yes.
Yeah.
I would like to tell them to please comment down below and tell him to buy me a gift. Tell him to buy me a gift. Christmas is coming near and he needs to buy me a gift.
Are you fucking kidding me? This is what you're trying to tell.
Yeah. Why you hate you?
అందుకే అది చాలు వ్లాగ్ आमगे रडपा लागले भाऊ आपणा गिफ्ट गेलामू अच्छे घेसो रोटेचो ओके आई बाय यू गिफ्ट ओके डोंट क्राई बेबी डोंट क्राई
You will be crying and you'll say don't cry. Guys, today we are going to end the vlog here. Okay, I was supposed to go to 2 places, but we only ended up going to 1 place, and it's getting really cold, so I don't want to go out in the cold again. So I'm not going to go to the second place, which is a little bit. We need to take a tram from here to go there, so might cover that place some other day. But it's kind of like Manor, and he got what he needed. So we had gone for a purpose, but he wanted to buy something, and yeah, so he got what he needed, and we are going to go home now. We are not tired, but it's cold, so you just want to get back home into the warmth. So yeah, we'll end the vlog here. People who have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Every week I try to put up videos. If not possible, I try to send some videos out. Like, share and comment down below. Guys, do not send me comments on Facebook, on WhatsApp and all. We do send you links, but we would really appreciate it. All of us as vloggers, all of us and whoever uploads some videos on YouTube would like to have the comments on YouTube, because it really does encourage us, and people who come to watch the videos as well would really like to see all that. So thank you so much, and God bless. Till then, next episode.
चितले हांव ताका दितो माजराचो पेटो माजरा कोडे हेडोन मुत्तोलो मुडबोरो